Welcome to Bang It News. Today, tape proves doomed. Challenger, crew screamed, cursed and prayed. Flame. A secret tape recorded aboard the doomed Space Shuttle Challenger captured the final panic-stricken moments of the crew. This claim is false. Description. Reports of a secret tape recorded aboard the doomed Space Shuttle Challenger that captured the final panic-stricken moments of the crew were a tabloid invention. Explanation. 73 seconds into the 28 January 1986 flight of the Space Shuttle Challenger, the craft exploded, killing the 7 astronauts aboard. Videotapes released by NASA afterwards showed that a few seconds before the explosion, an unusual plume of fire and smoke could be seen spewing from the lower section of the shuttle's right solid fuel rocket. It was generally assumed, and NASA did little to disturb this opinion, that all aboard died the moment the external tank blew up. NASA later conceded it was likely that at least 3 of the crew members aboard remained conscious after the explosion, and perhaps even throughout the few minutes it took for the crew compartment of the shuttle to fall back to Earth and slam into the Atlantic Ocean. The agency was highly secretive about matters relating to the Challenger tragedy, actively fighting in the court's media requests to be allowed access to photographs of the wreckage, the details of the settlements made with the crew's families, or the autopsy reports, and this reticence to share information likely convinced some that there was more to the story than was being told. Such an environment breeds its own rumors, and Miami Herald reporter Dennis E. Powell wrote that the crew were likely all alive and conscious until the shuttle's crew compartment plunged into the Atlantic Ocean. When the shuttle broke apart, the crew compartment did not lose pressure, at least not at once. There was an uncomfortable jolt minus a pretty good. Thanks for watching Bang It News.